All right, you guys, so we are back with another Crystal Fairy unboxing. Got my Crystal Fairy ring on. I've had these two boxes here a while and I am so excited to unbox them for you and share these gorgeous pieces from the Crystal Fairy. And if you haven't shopped with the Crystal Fairy before, she specializes in these gorgeous, insane aura pieces from all over the world. She's been in business forever. She is a true legend and you can shop her live sales on Instagram. She goes live a couple times a month. They're tons of fun. I'm pretty much always there. It's so fun vibes, and she's amazing. So let's get into unboxing these gorgeous crystals from the Crystal Fairy. We're gonna start with this box here. So this is the first little item in the box. Look at the glittery paper. Oh my gosh, so I'm pretty sure that this is another ring. I am obsessed with her rings and she makes all of her own jewelry. It's 925 sterling silver. So let's open this baby up. I can't remember which ring I got, but you guys, I love to wear these. Oh my gosh, you guys, how cute. This is a fancy ring box and it's magnetized, but here we go. Ooh, okay, if you guys can't tell, this is a gorgeous foden ring, and foden is a type of quartz that creates these long, almost sheet-like formations, and look at how stunning that is. So that's in the dark, and then in the sunlight, it's getting a little blown out, but let me put it on so you can see it. Okay, you guys, how gorgeous is that ring? And the best thing I love about her rings is they're adjustable. So if you have a thin finger or a chunkier finger, they will fit. I tend to have chunkier fingers, so, and I tend to get a little bit of bloating on my fingers, so I love that they're adjustable. But how gorgeous is that foden ring? Foden quartz is so freaking special. Look at those. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. How freaking fun is that? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So next we have this little baby. Oh my god, you guys see that piece sparkling in the sun? Okay, I'm gonna show you closer, but holy Hannah, look at that! Oh my god, I'm bringing it a little closer. I've never seen anything like this before. This is like the most insane freaking thing. Crystal Fairy, if you have a big one of these, please let me know because I want to buy it. This is freaking, I can't stop looking at it. Oh, it's so freaking, would that be cool as a ring? It'd be like a massive ring. Oh my god though, wow. That piece like literally takes my breath away. Then next we have a big one. Okay, you guys, this is the next piece. I don't know if it's reflecting in the sun, but it is so cool. It's reflecting rainbows all around my room. So let me show you guys what it looks like up close. Look at how freaking insane that is. This is a raw crystal, so it's not polished at all, and it has an angel aura coating on it. And this is actually a citrine underneath. The base stone is citrine. How freaking gorgeous is that? Oh my god, all of these little points are freaking stunning. Oh my god, I absolutely love the raw pieces with coating. Oh my gosh, look at with the ring. Oh my god. I'm dying. But look at all those little points. This is like so freaking stunning. And look at the double point that occurs naturally and is kind of rare. But what a freaking stunning piece. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So that was the first box, but let's go ahead and open up the second box. Okay, we got a lot of goodies in here and I'm so excited to see what they are because I've forgotten what I ordered. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so freaking cute. Let me show you up close. It is a little unicorn. Look at how sparkly and gorgeous she is. Oh my god. The sun is doing her tons of favors. Even back here, she's so bling bling. Oh my god. I love her. I know exactly where I'm gonna put her. She's so freaking cute. Okay, you guys, here's our next one. Oh my god. Every time I open one of her pieces, I'm just in awe. This piece is so freaking gorgeous. Let me show you up close because it's definitely not showing how insane it is. But look at that in the light. Look at the green and purple. It's so insane. So this is a foden as well. So it's the same formation as my ring. And I don't know if this one is a smoky technically or if it just is a little bit darker. But again, the aura on this raw crystal is like on another freaking level. I am dying. That is so stunning. It's like a magic wand. Doesn't it look like a little wand? So cool. We got another one. And you guys, I ordered like a huge amethyst stalactite from her recently in her last live. And I'm so freaking excited to unbox it for you guys. It's gonna be so cool. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how freaking cool that looks. Okay, I'm gonna open this one live for you guys so you can see like the shock and awe I'm in when I open it. Oh, oh my god, look at how freaking bling gorgeous that is. Oh my god. Look at how cool. So this is an amethyst wand with aura on it and it's stunning. Perfect points. Like how freaking magical is that? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Just want to see, you guys can see how blingy it is from all the way back here. Oh my god. I don't have, this is the first time getting a piece like this from her. I've never had one of these double wanded points. Oh my gosh, it matches my ring. And these, you guys, this is such a high quality piece. Look at how big those points are. Like the smaller the points, the lower the quality. The bigger the points, the bigger the quality. The better the quality, I should say. That is freaking insane. Oh my god. So as you guys can see from this unboxing, she has a huge variety of pieces. She has some insane jewelry that I always wear, especially when I go to gem shows. I get so many compliments on it. She has necklaces, she has statement pieces, she has clear quartz, citrine, smoky quartz, all treated, double treated with colored aura or angel aura. It's her proprietary aura, so you won't find it anywhere else on the market. This aura treatment is exclusive to her brand, which is the Crystal Fairy, and that's why I'm obsessed with getting her pieces, because you guys, nobody does aura like the Crystal Fairy. So if you're looking for something special, she has like the most insane live shows, so go check out her live shows. She goes live a couple times a month. Go follow her on Instagram and go tell her I sent you, and make sure to say hi to me when you're in the live and let me know what your favorite piece was from this unboxing. I don't even know which one to pick. I'm obsessed with the foden ring, but I'm also obsessed with these freaking two pieces. I mean, what? Like, I'm not even moving them and they're glittering in the sun. Like, that is freaking insane. Insane! But let me know what your favorite piece was from this unboxing, and thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out the Crystal Fairy on Instagram. Say hi to me in the live show, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more crystal unboxings, and I will see you guys on the next one. Love you. Bye!